Hi guys, in this quick video I'm going to be showing you how you can remove two-factor authentication on Shopify. This is going to be a quick video. Just click on log into your Shopify. Now after you are on the dashboard of your Shopify, in the top right you will be able to see there your store name. Just click on it and then you want to click on here where it says manage account. Okay, so you want to just click on manage account. It's going to take you guys, I'm going to do that right now. It's going to take you guys to this page. You just need to click here on security. Now after that you want to at the very bottom, and you can see here authentication methods is on, so you just need to remove it. In my case I just added here my number to receive SMS like from Shopify, so that I can log into my account. Now you just need to click on remove, and you will ask you guys for a password, or GK will ask you guys to continue to verify it's you, so that you can just verify it's you. Okay, and after that you want to click on authenticate, and that's it. That's how you can delete it. You can also add another method here in case you are like, for example, you're afraid to lose access to your Shopify store. You can also like make sure your recovery codes, you make sure you click on view codes so that you can like save this on your phone or whatever, or you can just click on download, because these are very important in case you lose access to your Shopify store or it's hacked or something. Okay, so that's exactly guys how you can do this. If this one helped you, please drop a like, that would be highly appreciated. And yeah, let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I reply to every single comment.